Good morning, everybody. We are here Friday morning. The weekend is about to start. I love it. 83 degrees and sunny outside. Looking good right now. We got Dark Matter first in the chat, baby. Mo G, what's going on? JJ Camacho third. JJ Camacho fourth as well. Mo G, Nick F, good morning to you. Last Mo G, Sam the Man number 2. I'm right here. Mo G, Dark Matter Chris, what's going on? Mo G, Chris, Mo G, Dark Matter, Sam the Man, AMC Trapper, Mo G, Sam the Man, and AMC Trapper. What's going on, guys? Market not looking so hot today. The market is down a little bit. We've got AMC down 8%, sitting at $15.50 per share. Shiba Inu coin sitting down just 0.1% right now, $11.90 at the moment. GameStop sitting at $35.94. Wow, incredible to see GameStop at $35.95. Don't freak out, guys. GameStop did go through that splividend, or however you guys are calling it these days, whatever the kids are saying, and the price has been adjusted. So this is interesting that the price was adjusted this way for a dividend. Typically, if you get a dividend, you see a large drop in the graph because, of course, you know, the dividend accounts for the loss. They were treating this, and at least Webull has treated this as a split as opposed to a dividend. So interesting to see there. They're considering it a split at this point in time, splitting and adjusting the historical prices and marking this 1-for-4, 4-for-1 split on the chart down here. So interesting to see Webull treating it as like a legitimate split as opposed to a dividend, but nonetheless, that's what they're doing there. NASDAQ getting hit very hard today, sitting at 11.8 right now, down 1.5%. GameStop down, Biora Therapeutics down, AMC down, Shiba Inu coin and Ethereum both down slightly at the moment, while Bitcoin is still up, but coming on its way back down. Sundial losing 5%, back down to 31 cents, man. Mullen Auto barcoding at $1.02. We've got CEI 41.5 cents. SPY sitting down 0.5% right now. BBIG barcoding at $1.02. Highcroft Mining barcoding at $1.01. We've got Netflix sitting at $220 per share. It is down 1.7% of the day. Redbox back down into the twos, guys. Redbox sitting at $2.96 right now. Clovis sitting at $1.78, boxed down to $2.099, so basically $2.10, losing 8% on the day. Revlon down 7.5% to $5.20. Luna Classic sitting at 10,000 points per coin, and the QQQ sitting at 302.96. Man, I'll tell you what, guys, I hate getting stopped out on these stop losses. I did place some puts in probably this area right here. Let's see, it was a 5-minute chart that I was trading. And yes, I got in probably on this candle right here, ticked up a little bit, came down. I was doing very well, stopped out either on this candle or this candle right here, not 100% sure which one it was. Stopped out, but still did very well, 30% gain or so. Stopped out right there. And whether it was this candle or this candle, same action, right? I mean, it came back up to the same price. And boom! I would have been up 300% right now. No, I would have been up 300% right here. Right now, I'd probably be up about 200 to 180 the last time I looked at it. Yeah, 300% gain. 4x. 4x your money. It hit like $4.07, and I got in at $1.02. So, nonetheless, walked away with like a $1.30, $1.35, whatever it was. And that's where you're at there. So puts did well. They could have done a lot better, but we're going to see how the QQQ plays out this afternoon, whether or not it would have been a good decision. You know, who knows? You got to have a take profits. You got to have a stop loss. You got to be able and willing to get out at some point, right? So that was the trade today. Not bad, but could have been better. Mr. Simon might be on someone's hit list today. Nah, dude, I blame nobody other than myself for that, but I can't confirm before things get too weird in here, okay, and we get a lot of people in here, I can confirm, and I'm going to try and like clip that and do like a little explainer video. If anybody is thinking about buying one of those or doing that stupid challenge, I tell you right now, don't do it. But if you are, I want to give a little explanation, like a 24 hours later explanation. Because I can tell you that I woke up twice last night. My stomach was gurgling twice. I tried to go to the bathroom, but I couldn't go to the bathroom. And it was not good waking up twice last night. And then can confirm, in front of everybody on here, can confirm that it is spicy both on the way in and on the way out. So just have a bidet. Have a bidet if you guys are thinking about buying this stupid little Nitro gummy bear right here. either do it on a vacation somewhere in Europe where you guys have access to a bidet or something, because it's not good, man. Not good. Got myself a 14-hour day today. Hope everyone has a better day than I'm going to have. Oh my God, Kalani, long day. But you know what, man? You'll make it through. You'll make it through, dude. I know you will. 14-hour day. It's going to be a long day. Hopefully you're getting overtime on that, and it turns out well for you. Clay lives, Remy. I am somewhat alive, man. Might be a walking zombie. Irish 2020, what's going on? Dark Matter, morning, M&D. Heck yeah, M&D, good morning to you. Kulani, yeah, for real. Mojo, man's too thirsty. Something like, I don't even know what's going on here. Who we talking about? Flex, the good energy god. What's going on, man? How you doing today? Remy, boom, dabbing on him. Sam, I said, what's up? Heck yeah, I missed video for Spice. What happened? Sam to man number 2, you got to go into the live stream at the end of the live stream yesterday, about an hour and 5 minutes into yesterday's live stream, or wait potentially until tonight. I forgot to record it yesterday. I wanted to do that, but I didn't record it, so I have to download, and you have to wait for the HD version to process before you can download the YouTube video. So I gotta wait for that to process. It could be done right now, but nonetheless, I'll download that. I'll try to clip it out a little bit, and then do a little explainer and, what to expect if you guys are thinking about doing something stupid like eating that gummy bear, and then at least people will know what's up. What's up, Clay? How have you been? Are you excited for Shib and their plans? Bo, yeah, B-O or Bo. Yes, I am, man. I'm always excited for potential gains. Always. I live excited for potential gains, man. And Shiba Inu coin is full of potential gains. A lot of the stuff, like John Richmond, man, I don't really care too much about that. Wellies, I really don't care too much about that. I don't necessarily, I like the metaverse, and I like Shibarium, right? Even though they're not necessarily Shiba Inu coin specific, I do think those things could be pretty big, in terms of like, just, digital world, right? Pretty big developments. They could help Shiba Inu coin. Some of the other stuff, dude, I don't really care about Bone or Shiboshis and things like that, but nonetheless, man, I do think that we've got a lot of good stuff in store. So yes, I stay excited about potential gains. I mean, dude, once you give up hope, what do you got? What do you got, man? Tip for anyone who it may help: the Coinbase 1 free trial for 0 trading fees doesn't apply to transferring to a wallet like Coinbase Wallet. Kalani, thank you very much for the heads up on that, man. My one wish in life is for Sam to not be ignored. Mine too, Remy. Mine too. I watched it, and it was hilarious. Twice showed my kids because they love. Keith, I'm gonna tell you this, dude. Don't give that to your kids. Like, don't give that to your kids. Nick F was asking me about it. Of course, my dad was asking me about it and stuff like that. My dad's like, dude, give that to you could buy one of those for your grandpa, man. See if he can handle that. I'm being honest with you, and I'm not just trying to be dramatic or something like that. I would not give that thing to anybody who's not in great health. And I'm not sitting here saying I'm in great health, right? But like I would feel concerned that if I gave that to my grandpa, that he might die. My brother's like, dude, you got to challenge the ape father to do that. And if anybody does want to challenge the ape father to do that, I don't want to be held responsible, because I feel slightly concerned that the ape father might also die if he tried to eat one of those things. But it is definitely not a joke or like some gag or just like a trick or something like that. I was legitimately scared for a while. Like, I didn't know how long it was going to last. I didn't know if like my mouth was just going to be burned or what the deal was. Honestly, I thought like I could throw up afterwards, but that settled down. It took a while to settle down, but like, all in all, the spice was in my mouth for roughly 15 minutes or so, and then it subsided pretty quick after 15 minutes. But about that 15-minute mark, dude, it was really like turning my stomach. You could definitely feel the spice just hitting your insides, and it didn't hurt, but it was definitely an uncomfortable feeling. And I would not let a kid eat that, man. I wouldn't even prank anybody with one of those things, even if they were gonna spit it out, because it was dangerous, dude. Question, Claire, bro. How are you going to announce when the Discord is up? Oh, Dark Matter. I'll definitely let you guys know in here. And then I actually, because I don't care too much about Twitter, so at the end of the videos too, like usually I say go hit Claybro883 on Twitter and Instagram or whatever. I'll probably just tell you, like, I got a new Discord if you guys want to join the Discord, and it'll be in the links in the descriptions and stuff like that. But yeah, I want to do that. I want to look into you can actually hook up a Shopify store too. So I want to look into that on YouTube. And I got to get everything situated so I can make those options videos before I go on vacation here. Look at the two crime scenes today called AMC and GME. It is killing me how this is allowed to still happen. The SEC and the government turning a blind eye like usual. Yeah, dude, AMC down about 9% right now. GameStop down 7%. But look, the overall market, I don't know if they're just dropping the overall market to cover them up or what they're doing. But NASDAQ getting hit very hard as well alongside of AMC and GME here. I doubt that AMC and GME are bringing the entire market down, but nonetheless, very similar action in these two stocks, and I'd say similar as well over on the NASDAQ and the overall market here. But nonetheless, it is a down day. Gosh, I wish my stop loss wouldn't have got hit here. 302.98, man. Getting stopped out like right in this area right here. 306, another $4, dude. Another $4 decline. Would have taken that from a 30% gain to a 300% gain. So Dogecoin was the meme that started it all. Shiba is the meme that brings purpose to it. NFT, Shiba Swap, Shiberia, mostly bullish DeFi projects. Man, 50x soon. Nice crypto burger. I hope so. Was Wana worried? Dude, what? I don't even know if Wana saw it, man. I don't even know if Wana saw it. Spicy Bear. It did it too. Thank you. Sam Demand. Why would you do that? Don't do the Spicy Bear challenge. Don't do that. Lambo canceled. No, Elon, don't cancel it. Has already stated that on Thanksgiving Day he will attempt to eat in Johnstontown. See that I do think that he probably has stated, man. I would not put that by a father stating that. Good morning, Clay. Have you heard about the news for Terra Luna Coin co-founder Mr. Shin got I have not. Ike, I have not. How did that go? Did they find anything? Emoji, the only fees that are network fees. The transfer 160 million Shib was only $2.50. That's cheap. I will say. I'm about converted Ethereum to ETH2 for the 3.25% interest, and that I cannot transfer out. Gotcha. Ike, good morning, Clay. Have you heard? No, I have not heard that. I've read that twice now. Same to number 2. Hi, Elon. I can have a free car, please. I wish. Good morning, Clay, bro. AMC family. I'm on a boring drive to get some supplies. Supplies 3 out one way. The best thing is I get to listen to Clay, bro, all the way. Joseph, man, glad to have you in here. Yeah, boring drive, man. It's all right though. Boring drives are okay every once in a while. It gives you time to sit back, relax, and I guess just enjoy the downtime, right? Because we can stay busy, man. Shaggy. Oh, you weren't telling me to yawn. You were yawning. Heard the bear market is ending, but we still have the recession happening at the end of the year. Does that mean another bear market will ensue? So, Remy, here's my thoughts on that. I think the bear market is just getting started, right? We have had inflation scares, Ukraine scares, supply chain scares, all of that stuff. And now, what we're seeing, if you look at things like Snapchat, right, you can see terrible earnings reports. Down even further. Snapchat losing 38% on the day, guys. Snapchat losing 38%. Look at this here. Hitting some massive new lows, bouncing off the nice round level of $10 per share. Not all-time lows, but recent lows, right? You got to go back years before you see Snapchat down at these levels here. 2020 during that C word, and then prior to that, 2018, $4 or $5 per share. So Snapchat getting hit very hard today. And it's because of a bad earnings report, declining earnings. I believe this next stage of the bear market is going to be declining earnings, and that is really what puts you into the bear market territory when companies are unable to make money. Now, it could get even worse if companies are unable to make money, and therefore we have the recession going on. And because companies need to lean down, we see them start to lay off. And if we've got a recession caused by high inflation and high interest rates, and then it gets even worse because companies begin to lay off because they're not able to continually increase their earnings, that could make things worse as well. So I do believe we're going to see a lot of earnings misses, declining earnings and things like that, like we're seeing in Snapchat. And, could be some more bad news there. But nonetheless, yeah, I do think that recession talk towards the end of the year, things are are potentially going to get even worse than they are right now, especially with things like the European Central Bank painting a pretty dark picture over there for the end of 2022. Dip before the rip. AMC might run after hours. A lot is gone. We got to stay optimistic, man. As our favorite holder, Mr. Buffett said, buy the dips. Warren Buffett's your favorite holder? Yeah, it is true, man. Warren Buffett loves to buy the dips, but Warren Buffett's got billions of dollars, so he can always buy the dips. Hi, Clay. How are you, bro? OG Lunatic. I'm doing good, man. How you doing? Good morning, all you glorious apes. I've smashed the like button with my diamond hands, and you should too. Yeah, because if you don't, like if we don't get 50 likes, in the next 10 minutes, I'll probably forget about it until 12:30. But if we're not at 50 likes, man, you guys are getting hit with an ad. I'm telling you, it's not that hard to click the like button. Pinching pennies. October, September will be a one-time opportunity for generational wealth, peeps. Could be bottom. Moji, yeah, man. That's actually a decent time frame. That gives you a 1-year bear market. And that's about typical, right? We've seen 1-year bear markets. Decent time frame to look at there, man. And you're basing that possibly on historical precedents or possibly on some political reasons. And I get that. Doesn't have to happen that way, though. Like, just know that it doesn't have. I think you know that. It doesn't have to happen that way, but yes. How you doing? I remember when me and Simon, when we used to be best friends. I remember when me and Simon, but the good times come to end. Mr. Simon. Mr. Simon. Mr. Simon, never send that gummy bear to anybody else the rest of your life. Promise me that, man. Because, yeah, Simon, I woke up twice last night with my stomach gurgling, and then this morning, it seems like you've probably done it before. I think you said you've done it before. Spicy on the way in, dude. Spicy on the way out. Both of those are true statements. Good morning, Lucky Thoughts. Good morning to you. I love watching ads. BO. I wish I could specifically give individuals ads. I would give BO an ad right now. I would give BO an ad for sure right now if I could target out who gets ads there. We live streaming American Idol. Lucky's Thoughts. We just might be. Let me know. Did I pass? Like, is it a thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up or thumbs down, guys? I gotta know. Was that a good song? It was an original. I wrote that just now. Guys. I want to know if it was a good song or not. Hey all together. Clay, how's your stomach? STSY. Stomach is okay at the moment, man. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you that it's terrible or anything. It doesn't feel like at peace. I honestly feel like I could go to the bathroom in the middle of this live stream, and you guys, I will hit you with an ad at that point, and then put it on silent for a while. But no, I woke up twice last night. It wasn't a good feeling. Let's put it on that way. Bring on the ad. Somebody live's like, yeah, bring them on, man. Bring them on. Even Mortal Kombat. Pain in, pain out. STSY. This is true stuff, man. Oh, you're going to Hollywood. Yes. Dude, I don't want to go to Hollywood, man. I'll stay right here in Ohio. As bad as it is on the way in, it's always worse on the way. No, actually, dude, I'm not even gonna trick about it. It was not as bad on the way out as it was on the way in. But the way out was surprising. I actually was not expecting that. The way out was surprising. The way in was definitely worse, though. Funded my backup brokerage on Fidelity and got my 21 position portfolio set, 4 ETFs and 17 stocks. Frank, diversification, man. I love it. Good deal. Let Mr. Simon's out. Woo! And Trap 2. Heck yeah. TMI. Too much information or The Masked Investor? Yorkie Inu. Which one are we talking about here? We talking about TMI, like the guys on YouTube, or we talking about too much information for real? Good morning, Paul. I didn't see. Whoa, Cassie. I didn't see you in here yesterday, Cassie, did I? Glad to have you. Shinja, any update? Should we hold it for long? Is it a good coin to hold? Vika Singh, man. I actually don't know too much about Shinja, okay? I do know that it's got an obscene amount of coins outstanding, like 6 trillion or something ridiculous. And therefore, don't expect it to ever reach prices that Shiba Inu coin can reach, or literally any other coin could reach. But I don't know. I actually haven't seen anything about Shibnobi or Shinja in a long time on social media. So what do you guys think about Shinja? Is it still popular, or what's up? God, for the ad blocker. There you go, Trapper. Yeah, because you can't trust these people to click the like button 50 times. My gosh. Do you think call options are the move now since everything is tanking, or would they have to go back up eventually? So BO, depending on the time frame, call options could be something. Let's say this, okay? You're going to be paying a pretty penny for some call options that have a year out expiration and so on. So at that point, man, it's up to you whether or not you want to leverage it and you think the market's going to recover in the next year. If you've got a longer term time frame like that, you may be better off just buying and holding the shares so that you don't have to worry or pay a large premium and then begin to worry about a continually deteriorating economy or something that could cause prices to go even lower. But if you're going call options, you might want to look, and especially if you're waiting for an economic recovery, you might want to wait a long time there. But, guys, QQQ getting hit once again, man. I bet the 306s. I won't be able to see the 306s. That's what I played this morning. Was a 306. Got it at $1.02. Got it at $1.02, and the 306s are not on the board right now, and I can't see them unless I log in. So, yeah, I don't know what's going on with the 306s, but they're probably trading at they're probably trading above $4 per share. Dang, man. Yeah, I'd imagine these are above $4 per share right here. Which is hard to swallow because I got out at like $1.30, somewhere in this range right here, and stopped out at $1.30, $1.30 or $1.35. I'm not exactly sure what it was. And these guys are the 306s are probably above $4 an option right now. Crazy. Would have been some massive gains there. Would have been some 300+% gains. Wait, if you didn't feel sick yesterday, then I'm sure you are today instead. Crypto Racketeer. Thanks, man. Really appreciate that. No, dude, I already feel it. I'll go to the bathroom a couple times today. I'll be good. Yorkie Inu. So no, I do not believe that is true. Right, if you give me with an ad, I will protest. Time is valuable. Shredder. Make sure you click that like button, dude. The more you guys remind me, the more I'm going to look at the ads, the likes here in a minute, and determine whether or not I have to hit you guys with an ad. Paying for ad-free YouTube is totally worth it for me. No ads. You get like half the people in here pay for no ads, so I'm not even really going to hit anybody with an ad. June, I do not know. I have not seen anything about that. Cassie, you should have been in here yesterday's evening live stream. Clay turned into the Hulk. Yeah, right, dude. I turned into the baby Hulk, man. Turned into Baby Hulk, sweating and everything. It was bad news, man. I did have a little headache when I went to bed last night. Lovely Eno, just got a 450% return. Holding it for long, and hope once listed on top 10 exchange will give more. Vika Singh, very nice, man. I hope it does. Empire Capital ECC, doing well. You ever heard of it, Clay? I have not, Remy. Empire Capital, I have not heard of it. ECC, we talking about a stock here? No, it seems like you're probably talking about a coin there. I've not heard of ECC, Empire Capital. Empire Capital token. Here it is. Yes, it is a token that we were talking about. And we've got it up 20.75% today. Not bad at all. What's it look like on a daily chart here? All-time graph on its way back up. Came out at the end of 2021. Did very well going up to 18 cents. Currently sitting at 7 cents. So you can more than double your money if it gets back to the all-time highs that it hit at the end of 2021. I meant because of the market today. Obvious gummy bear. Yes, yes. Crypto Rocketeer. All right. Well, then that is going to be good. He's sitting here saying the market's going to make you feel bad today. Dude, the market will make me feel bad today. I actually bought some puts on the QQQ, and I stopped out here with a 30% gain, and I could be sitting on a 300% gain right now, man. Think about that. So, yes, I'm already upset about that. And what are you going to do? You're going to move on. Dark matter! Thank you. If I'm sick, everybody's going to be sick. You watch me eat this banana, man. Dark matter, I'm thinking about you, but you know who I'm looking at. Trapper, I got you, man. Eye contact, very important. You take the little banana, you lick it, and you stick it. Dark matter, thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate all of you guys having fun on a daily basis. Heck yeah, AMC Trapper. Don't miss it. Good morning, everybody. I'm stuck here waiting for my flight at O'Hare. I hope you're feeling all right after yesterday, Clay. Peak of power. Didn't sleep that great. Doing okay right now. Slight upset stomach. I doubt I go to the bathroom during the live stream, but I probably will be going afterwards. So yes, it's alright. It sucks. Good. Yeah, crypto racketeer. It does, man. It does. But honestly, it sucks so much more to see a loss. So I know one of these days it's not going to tap my stop loss. I mean, I was up in this area. I was up probably 50%, and I'm like, nah, dude. After seeing the morning, like the rally that it had in the morning here, I'm like, I'm not even gonna risk it, and I'm not gonna put it on at break even, because this rally, if it just does this once more, it's gonna rip my entire 50% gain. So I put it on at 30, and it did come back. If I did have a break even gain on there, it did come back and tap that break even gain. So I would have tapped out either here or here if I did have a break even on there. And afterwards, man, so I hit that 30%. Nice, great, but oh gosh, it's right here, man. It's right here. If I would have got in here as opposed to back here, it never would have tapped. I'd be running right now, but whatever. 30% still better than losing 30%. Woohoo! This one will be better, Pika. Heck yeah. Let's see. This flight's going to be good for you. Hey! Oh, my cacao here. Mal, what's going on? Ross. I just clicked the like button. Thank you very much. Question. What do you think is Mr. Aaron's pounce on roughly August 4th? And what do you think the outcome will be? Ross. Great question, man. I think the pounce is going to be Adam Aaron spending money on something. Okay? I think he's either going to announce that he's bought another business, they're starting some marketing campaign where he's going to give his girlfriend Nicole Kidman tens of millions of more dollars. He's going to pay down a lot of debt. It's going to be something like that. I don't think it's going to be... I don't think it's going to be like short killing or something where he's coming out with... an NFT dividend or anything like that. So I wouldn't get terribly excited about it. I don't think it's going to have a very large impact on the price, but nonetheless, it could be good news to improve the fundamentals of the company. Here's what I don't want to see him doing. Okay, this would be embarrassing for himself, but he probably wouldn't care. If everybody is excited about GameStop right now, and Adam Aaron says that he would come out and he would do a share dividend, similar to what GameStop did. Of course, he's going to need authorization for new shares. At that point, I would be very disappointed to see him come out and say, well, we need another 100 million, we need another 200 million shares authorized so that we can do a share dividend similar to what GameStop did. I do not want to see him come out that way. We do not want more shares. We do not want more shares issued for AMC. Safe flight, Pika. Heck yeah. Pika, it's going to be a great flight. No problems whatsoever. Nice and fast, and it is going to be very smooth. Tesla dumps, it's going to get messy on the QQQ. Facts on that, crypto. Facts on that. Tesla, though, sitting very good yesterday. Where is Tesla today? I haven't seen it. So Tesla's sitting at 822 right now, jumping up to 840, and right now back down to 822 at the moment, still above break even on the day. Man, it cleared my throat. Sam, did your parents ignore you a lot? I hope not. Let's pull back. Droskray, that's what I'm thinking, man. Remy, play nice. You can need a hug. Heck yeah, I was right. Clay subs increased by 100. Roulette wheel. That's good, man. That's good. We need more. I can feel this gummy bear. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it through this entire stream. Hello, everybody. I'm Mark L. What's going on? Yes, and no, Dad had to be, and Mom would not let me use your car now. Thank you. Yeah, dude, what the heck, man? We need to be able to use cars. The bird outside is in QQQ today. I have been wondering if this is a subliminal message. Cassie, I think it is. We got to watch the QQQ. It's currently rolling down at the moment, 302.07. Somebody go look at those 306 strike price puts for today. Picking my first stop was a hamburger joint on a Triple D in Des Plaines called Paradise Pub. Nice, man. Tron Dow said they are purchasing BTC that Tesla sold. Oh, well, that's interesting as well, man. Pigger, remember the video? Driving in, oh my god, lots of food. It's all about the food and things to do. Tesla dump, Mt. Gox, 9 billion miners selling Bitcoin to cover cost. Is this a fake spike? El Tuto? I think it is. I will say this, guys. I am feeling like I'm gonna need to go to the bathroom. There's a chance I end the stream and then bring it back up. I don't know what I'll do there. You guys want to stay in the stream if I do have to if I do have to go get rid of this gummy bear, or you want to re-up it? I don't know if I can push through this or not. We'll see if I can. Was it just one gummy bear? Bo, yeah, dude, it was just one gummy bear, but it was a ridiculous gummy bear, man. I don't know if you've ever seen this. Like, don't ever eat this thing, okay? Don't ever eat this thing. If anybody ever sends this to you, Lil Nitro, the Scoville is 9 million, man. 9 million. Ghost peppers are like 1.7 to 2 million. Send ads. Dude, I just have to continually click the ad button for like 5 minutes. It's gonna be bad. Shut it! Nice, I'm actually leaving. I was only here for training. I never left Chicago since I got here. A bag check and TSA here is on top of it. Well, that's good. Oh, let's see. Rock back and forth. Trust me. Yeah, well, Shredder. Trust me. I'm going to start sweating here again in a second. Turn up the volume. No, Moji. No. Moji. Well, Moji's a little weird, guys. Moji's a little weird. Go to the bathroom, end the stream. We'll see you later. No, dude, I'll come back for the last half hour of the stream, for sure. Let's see. Better smash the like button. I don't want any more ads. Yeah, we're 12 minutes in. Let's see what we got here. It's 40. I'm hitting you with an ad. Tell me who got it. I'm telling you right now. I'm trying to determine. I've not heard of Bella. No. Guys. All right, let's put it this way. Let's be back. Let's reconvene, hopefully at 12:30. All right? Let's reconvene at 12:30. I blame Mr. Simon, so if you guys want to be weird or anything, blame Mr. Simon as well. But we're going to come back at hopefully 12:30 right now, because I'm starting to sweat again. This is not good. So you guys know the drill. We're not going to sign off and all that good stuff, but I will end the stream. We'll be back at 12:30. So make sure to come back hopefully soon, right? Barring no problems or anything like that. But this gummy bear is still leaving. So I'm going to blame Mr. Simon. I'm going to try and come back at 12:30. It's going to be right around that time, so hopefully 5-10 minutes-ish. But blame Mr. Simon if you guys want to, all right? Yeah, not 3. Dude, if it's 3 hours, somebody call Nick F, all right? Somebody call Nick F and tell him to call the police or something. But yes, we'll be back. We'll be back and hopefully soon. Bring these down. I'm going to need something, man. I'm going to need something. It's pure panic. Listen, it's very weird because I thought I was going to be able to push through, but no, dude. No, I don't want to. I don't want to sweat in front of you guys. So, yes, we'll be back in a couple of minutes here.